So ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Whoa! What the? Viper tail should be the star on this video, but yeah. Shark edge, man. That's very strong. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Ooh! Okay. Nice. Oh, it's a draw. Another one, another one. Fast moving kind of battle. That's your baby X. Wait, this is the original string launcher and this is the fake one. But yeah, why? The original one is not handling the shark edge right. Shark edge, not the shark, but the viper tail. What happened? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Hey! It's a ring out. What the? Again. Another one. Okay.